Love the face.
And we use about the pressure you use when you push on a tomato. Alright, she's all set.
Yay! We'll have a happy baby.
I feel good. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Sasha.